Winter driving can be brutal. Ice, snow, slush, it's enough to make any driver nervous. But what if I told you that a few key modifications could turn your car into a winter beast, ready to take on even the harshest conditions? Today, we're diving into the top modifications you need to make your car winter-proof and performance-ready for those icy roads. Stick around till the end because we've got some pro tips you don't want to miss. First things first, let's talk about the single most important modification for winter driving: winter tires. If you've ever tried to drive on snow or ice with regular all-season tires, you know how terrifying it can be. Winter tires are specially designed with deeper treads and unique rubber compounds that stay flexible in cold weather, giving you the grip and control you need when the roads get slick. Winter tires can reduce your stopping distance by as much as 25% on icy roads. Brands like Michelin X Ice and Bridgestone Blizzak are fan favorites because they offer both incredible traction and long-lasting durability. If you live somewhere with serious winter conditions, this isn't optional, it's essential. Next up, those freezing mornings when you're worried if your car will even start. Enter the engine block heater. This simple but effective modification warms your car's engine before you even turn the key, preventing wear and tear that happens when you start a cold engine. In areas where temperatures regularly drop below freezing, an engine block heater is a game changer. Not only does it protect your engine, but it also makes sure your car is ready to go, even on the coldest days. Plus, it's an eco-friendly choice since a warmer engine burns fuel more efficiently. You'll save on gas in the long run. If you're dealing with extreme conditions like heavy snowfall or mountain driving, regular winter tires might not be enough. That's where snow chains or snow socks come into play. These attach to your tires, providing extreme traction in the worst conditions. Snow chains are your best bet for icy, mountainous roads. They dig into the snow, preventing your car from sliding or losing traction. Snow socks, on the other hand, are fabric alternatives that are easier to install but offer less durability for long-term use. Both options, though, can save you in a pinch when the snow really starts to pile up. Winter isn't just about snow, it's also about the salt and chemicals used to keep roads ice-free. Over time, this salt can wreak havoc on your car's underbody, leading to rust and corrosion that can be costly to repair. That's why rust-proofing is an essential winter modification. Getting your car rust-proofed or applying an underbody protective coating can add years to your car's life. This is especially important if you plan to keep your car for a long time or live in an area that heavily salts its roads. The extra layer of protection will prevent rust from taking hold, saving you from expensive repairs down the road. Alright, let's not forget about the interior. One often overlooked modification is all-weather floor mats. When you're getting in and out of your car, your boots are tracking in snow, mud, and salt, which can damage your carpets over time. All-weather mats from brands like WeatherTech are designed to catch water, snow, and dirt, keeping your car's interior clean and protected. They're easy to clean, to just pull them out and spray them down, and they're as good as new. Trust me, this small investment makes a huge difference in keeping your car looking great during winter. Visibility is key during winter driving, and your stock wipers might not be enough. Upgraded winter wiper blades are made from durable materials that stay flexible in freezing temperatures, meaning they can clear snow and ice much more effectively. For those living in areas with frequent snowfall, heated wiper blades can be a game changer. These blades melt the ice as they wipe, ensuring your windshield stays clear, no matter how bad the weather gets. It's one of those simple upgrades that can make your winter drives much safer. So there you have it, everything you need to winter-proof your car for maximum performance and safety. From winter tires to rust-proofing. Each modification will make a huge difference when the snow starts falling. Which upgrade are you planning to make this winter? Let us know in the comments, and as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car tips and tricks. Stay safe out there. And we'll see you on the road.